Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Mushroom Ankake Soba. Ankake Soba is a noodle soup that is thickened with starch. Hot and savory soup makes it a perfect hot noodle dish in the cold season. These are the ingredients. We are using shiitake, shimeji, and maitake mushrooms today, but they can be any kinds of mushroom you like. For dashi broth, check out our dashi playlist for a few recipes we have. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we will prep the mushrooms. Remove the stem of shiitake and slice thinly. Remove the bottom of the stem of shimeji mushroom and break apart into smaller bunches. And we do the same for maitake mushroom. Cut naganegi white long onion into 2-inch long pieces. Slice vertically into the center but not cut through, and take out the middle part of the onion and flatten the outer layer like that and slice very thinly. Put the sliced onion in the water for 10 minutes, then strain. Heat the dashi broth at medium heat. Add sake, mirin, soy sauce, and salt. Stir. Heat to just before a boil. Add all of the mushrooms and cook for a few minutes until they become soft. Combine water and katakuriko potato starch together in a small bowl and mix well. And add the mixture to the soup slowly while stirring constantly. And keep it warm at low heat. Boil the dried soba noodle according to the package right before eating. And once cooked, strain water. Put the soba noodle in a bowl and pour the hot mushroom soup over. Top with sliced onion. And sprinkle some shishimi pepper if you like. This soup is super easy to make, yet packed with umami flavor from the mushroom. Hope you enjoy. 美味しい。美味しいね。